Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about what could be the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin. And as we have discussed in the previous previous videos, that the price is actually trading at a support level. And if you look at here, the price is very nicely just trading at this support level of 20,000. So this 20,000 in the recent times is an important support, and we can take a resistance at 22,600. So now if you look at the volumes, for today, so volumes are very less. Yesterday there was a dozy, which means yes, because it is at a support level, so the buyers, it was there, and that is the reason, we got buyers and sellers both, and we got a dozy. So that clearly shows that, at least from here in the near term, we are not getting any kind of further fall, a big fall as of now in the near term, till the time the price is holding up this 20,000 level. So what we can expect, we can expect that the price will just take a support, and maybe you will see some upside momentum today. But again, many a times, we have seen this kind of momentum as well. So now that is important, where the price can go. So if the price just hovers around at the support level, we have to wait, and once the we'll get the clarity, then we can definitely take up a decision accordingly. So as of now, what we can see, I'm taking the support at 20,000 and resistance at 22,600, looking like it looks like that the price might able to give you either a flat or a small upside momentum, because the price is at the support level. Now if you look at the Ethereum, so we still have a room for the support there, because if you remember, yesterday also we talked about this thing, that the price is in the somewhere around in the middle of the resistance and support level. So let me just tell you what is the support and resistance levels here. So this is the support area, which is at 1510, and this is the resistance area, which is at 1725. So yes, so the price is basically, it's just trading here now. Because very nicely the price is trading in this area, in the range of the support and resistance. So we might expect that the price will fall further to support area, the price will come to 1510, and then maybe we will see again an upside momentum to the resistance level. So yes, that's the reason today we are getting, as of now, we are getting a small downside momentum. It's down by 2.5%, and let's see if the price continues. If the price closes here, we might able to see that the price will come back again to 1510, and then we will see what's gonna happen after that. So yes, this is the outlook for Ethereum. So again, nothing much we can talk about the cryptocurrencies, because as we all know that from the past many months now, the price either is in a range or the price is falling. So if you talk about the short term trend, it's in a range, and if you talk about the overall trend, it's in a long term trend. So since we are talking about everyday levels, everyday momentum, so yes, we can see that the price is basically in a range only, if I talk about Bitcoin or Ethereum. So both the cryptocurrencies are in a consolidation area. So this is all from my side, and if you're liking this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much for watching us.